Hey guys, this is GadgetSurvival with the review for the Victorinox Tinker. Right here is the large blade, stainless steel. Right here is the smaller blade. This is the can opener with a small screwdriver. This is the bottle lifter with a larger screwdriver, flathead, with also a wire stripper. Right here is the Phillips head screwdriver, and right here is the reamer punch. This is the toothpick, which slides there, and the tweezers that slides there, and here's the keyring. Thanks for watching, and please come back to my channel and watch some more videos. Bye.